Greetings to you all and welcome to the lesson. The subject is Principles of Marketing and Communication. During our last session, we analyzed the target market selection process. Today, we want to study the importance of target marketing to a business. Importance of target marketing to a business. And candidates, in a business environment where competition is stiff and what we call in Kenya, where the hustle is real, when things are not easy, when you are in business and you have stiff competition, target marketing then becomes the difference between a business that survives and the one that thrives. So you have those businesses that are surviving and there are those who thrive. The difference is target marketing, because you cannot be everything to everyone without burning into your capital. So target marketing has some vital benefits or importance, and that's what we want to discuss in our today's lesson. Importance of target marketing. You don't just target everyone. You have to have a target market. You cannot satisfy everyone's needs without burning into your capital. So one reason why target marketing is important is that it maximizes limited resources. It leads to what we call budget efficiency. Budget efficiency. If you have a tight budget, then you have to do target marketing. Most Kenyan businesses don't have the marketing budget of a multinational business. If you have a small, medium-sized enterprise, your budget may not be as huge as the one for multinational companies. So targeting marketing ensures you don't spend money advertising to people who have no intention of buying your products. So you target a certain market, then you spend your budget on such target. You may have positive results other than spending a budget money on people who are not likely to buy your product. So that's one importance of target marketing. It leads to budget efficiency. It maximizes limited resources. Instead of, for example, having a billboard on Thika Road that 1 million see, okay, but only 100 care about, then you may spend that money on targeted, maybe Instagram advertisement that is seen by 10,000 people who are specifically looking for your product. So if you are marketing a product, instead of having a billboard on a highway that 10 million or 1 million people will see, and out of the 10 million, only 100 are interested in your product, then that becomes very inefficient, because you are only reaching 100 people after investing a lot of money putting up the billboard. So instead of doing that, you can put your money on an Instagram advertisements, where Instagram through AI, they can help you to reach the people who are looking for your products online. Understand? Another example we could be for an agency. Let me say a nanny agency targeting busy mothers in Syokimau saves money by only advertising in a local WhatsApp group. If you have a business of offering or services for a nanny, then you would rather look for local WhatsApp groups and send your messages there, rather than having an advert on national TV, because that message on national TV may reach 1 million people, But there are very few people who may be interested in what is happening in Syokimau or any other place. You understand? Target marketing. One benefit is that it maximizes limited resource. Limited resource. Understand? Yes. Then the second benefit or importance of target marketing is in relation to tailored messaging. Tailored messaging. Tailored messaging that hits home. When you have a target market, then you can have one message for that market, because you've identified, segmented a market that has similar characteristics. You've grouped together, you have a group of customers who have similar needs, then you can message them very easily. When you know exactly who you are talking to, you can use the language, the tone, and cultural references that resonates with them. And the impact here is that your marketing feels like a personal conversation rather than just a sales pitch. Okay? Tailored messaging. That's the effect. For example, a brand like Guinness uses target marketing to speak to the everyday king. You've seen Guinness adverts, whether you like it or not, on social media, on TV, on billboards. Guinness. They target the everyday king. The everyday king is the hard-working Kenyan man. And they use football and they use bold imagery because they know exactly who sits in that target seat at their local bar. Okay? Guruma, they say Guruma kama Simba, the local king. Understand? Yes. Tailored messaging that hits home. Guinness is able to do that because they have understood the characteristics. They have a target. They know the characteristics of the people who are enjoying buying their products, and they know how to message. Then number 3, precision. The target marketing leads to precision in product development. Now, the precision in product development is very possible because when you are selling to a specific target market, you get feedback from that market. Then it becomes very easy for you to develop the next product or to improve the product because you are getting feedback from a specific target market. Target marketing informs you on what to build next. And how is that possible? Because when you focus on a specific group, they tell you exactly what features they need. And now that you know what exact features that your customers need, then it becomes very easy to produce or to develop the next product. You stop guessing and you start solving real problems because you are getting feedback from your customers. For example, Mshwari targeted the unbanked Kenyan. They didn't build a complex banking app. They just built a simple USSD-based savings and loan tool because their target market used just basic features on their phones. Precision in product management development is possible if you are doing target. 4, reduced competition. How is reduced competition a benefit occasioned by target marketing? There is reduced competition because in target marketing, you carve a niche. A niche. you have a target, you have a niche. When you target a specific slice of the market, you often find areas where big competitors are too slow or too corporate to compete. In other words, you become the go-to expert for that specific group. For example, instead of being a general electronics shop, a business might target, say, Kenyan gamers. Kenyan gamers. That is a niche. And in so doing, they stock specialized high-end graphics cards and mechanical keyboards. They can then beat general retailers like the supermarkets or the Carrefours and so on, rather than just a customer base. Reduced competition. You carve a niche. When you carve a niche, you reduce competition. And that is an advantage of target marketing. The fifth reason is that target marketing leads to customer loyalty. Customer loyalty. Customer loyalty and retention. People stay local to brands that get them. If you get me as a brand, then I will be loyal to you. Getting them is a phrase which means you meet my needs. If you get my vibe and you meet my need, then I'll be very loyal to such a brand. For example, at Manifested, there are people whom we get, who get us, who we serve, and they are satisfied. So they become loyal because we meet their needs appropriately. People stay loyal to brands that satisfy their needs. So targeting marketing helps you build a community rather than just a customer base. You have something like a family, a community, rather than customer base. And that leads to high repeat purchase rates and word of mouth referrals and so on. So these are 5 reasons why target marketing is important. One reason leads to budget efficiency. Budget efficiency. That means limited resources are maximized. You can also tailor messages that hits home. You don't waste your resources. You talk to people who need your product. Number 3, there is precision in product development, because when you have a target market, they give you feedback. They tell you what exactly they want. So you can easily develop a product that meets their wants without necessarily guessing what customers need. Reduce competition, because you cut a niche of the market, a slice of the market, you then reduce competition. Then it may lead to customer loyalty and retention. That is the end of the lesson on importance of target marketing to a business. Bye-bye.